Hey YouTube, so just a little tip I use when trying to get under my lowered Prelude. I use a low profile jack, and in order to reach that location for jacking, I use a hockey puck with a slit in it, which helps reduce any kind of damage you might cause on the body kit. So with that being said, we're going to work on getting that bumper removed. As you can see, there's some added support since the bumper is quite a bit heavier than stock, or at least bigger. There's a couple mounting locations here and there that need to be dealt with. We've got the turn signals in a stationary position so that they're not mounted to the bumper. I've got a bit of a splash guard that I installed to help out, and then that bracket goes somewhere underneath in between those two. So we're going to be removing the battery in the tray. I'm going to get that intake off and get that starter removed. So we're also going to have the AC reclaimed to ensure that the AC refrigerant does not go back into the atmosphere. So I got a buddy who'll stop by, and he's got a reclaiming system he can use to get that. Other things to note is that the battery, once I've got this intake off, you can see that the battery is in a reversed position where the positive should be where the negative's at, and so forth. And I've done this because of the battery I used to have, which was an Optima, which has a little better ability to put those in any position due to their central location, and that's how I had it wired up. So that's how this battery's hooked up. There's a little bit of a wire tuck you'll be able to see, and you can also see some upgraded mount bushings. And then further on, once you get down a little bit further where the bumper is removed, you can see some of the headlight wiring has been relocated along with some of the other wires. Further along in the video, you're going to be seeing some rims. I took those off, and those are the Motegi rims, and they're series 105, and they're 18 by 7.5, and they have a 42 offset. The tires that are on here are like an all-season, supposedly ultra sport. They're Nankangs, and they're not very grippy at all. In fact, the other tire I have has pretty much just been demolished. So we're going to be replacing those with something with some grip for what we got planned. So I'm going to speed up some parts here, but we'll have a view of the brakes and the suspension before we remove everything. And that'll be it for now. In a later video, we'll go ahead and have some work done where we've removed some more items in the engine bay. And we'll see you then. Like and subscribe. And thanks.
Dizer o que penso dessa vida, preciso de mais desabafar.
Segura!